What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have a bunch of cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9. Unfortunately I do not have that phone yet, but I do have a bunch of cases for that phone, so let's check them out. Okay, the cases are inside these boxes and they're by Subcase, amzn, Mambo, and Quitego. So let's get them out the box. Alright, so we're going to start with Subcase, and keep in mind I'm going to put an Amazon link below so you can get a hold of these cases. Alright, we're going to start with the Subcase Unicorn Beetle. Okay, so this is a Unicorn Beetle. It has drop protection, perfect gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, and accurate cutouts. So here's a close-up of the Unicorn Beetle. I actually like this design a lot. It's very sleek and simple. It has a clear, almost see-through design, and that's great if you want to show your stylish phone. This case seems durable and it should protect your phone. The pattern has like a honeycomb look to it. The case is very lightweight. It seems very durable. The material right here looks like carbon fiber. And let's take a closer look at the back. I really like this design. Very simple, very minimal. And let's have a look at the case all around. Up next, we have the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Alright, so this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. It has drop protection, perfect gripping, 360-degree protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and a belt clip holster. Unlike the first case, which was very simple, this case is very bulky and heavy duty. It has a rugged look to it. Here's the built-in protector case. Let's have a look all around. This case has accurate cutouts for your ports at the bottom. Here's a look at the front. It keeps dust and debris off of your phone. And here's a look at the back. It has a hard back and it easily snaps into the holster. The clip turns around. You can hear it click. And this is what the case looks like assembled. It looks very durable. Seems like it'll protect your phone. Let's take a closer look at it. It looks nice. I like it. Alright, this next case is by Quitego. Right away, I am drawn to the color. Nice rose gold color. Love it. It has cutouts for your ports on the bottom. Here's a look at the front. Here's a closer look at the back. It has a diamond shaped pattern. Nice and smooth. Now let's set this case aside. Here we have a case by Mambo. Alright, let's get this out of the box. This phone has accurate cutouts. It's slim, it's form-fitting, it has perfect gripping. Let's have a look all around. Take a closer look at this fine pattern on the back. I really like it. It looks like 3D cubes. So these next two cases are by amzn. This case has drop protection and accurate cutouts. I like this one. I'm drawn to the rose gold color. It looks very premium. I like the design. It looks clean and stylish. Here's a look at the sides, the top, and the bottom. Here's a closer look at the front. And a closer look at the back. Case number 2. This case comes with a clear built-in screen protector. It has drop protection and accurate cutouts. The clear screen protector snaps on easily. Alright, let's take a closer look at this case. Here are accurate cutouts for your ports on the bottom. And here's a close-up of this clear case. You'll be able to look at your stylish phone. Alright guys, so here are all the cases. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. If you have an S9, give this video a thumbs up. And that is the end of this video. If you are interested in any of these cases, I'll put Amazon links down below just for you. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.